to the channel. We are looking at the stock price of Canoo Inc. With the ticker symbol GOEV, and today the stock is up 1.01%, trading at $4 even. Yesterday the stock closed at $3.96, opened today a bit higher at $3.99, and has gone now to $4 even, and that is where we're sitting at, with just about 2 hours 10 minutes to the closing bell. Today's volume, about half of average. Right now it's sitting at about 5 million shares that have exchanged hands, and that compares to an average volume of 12.7 million. Market capitalization for Canoo Inc. right now is at 1.07 billion US dollars. So the huge 2022 climate change bill that is making its way through Congress has many EV manufacturers, calibrating and adjusting their operations, because it has some very specific language in there. What you would find out is that it is actually part of current president Joe Biden's administration's agenda to build back America, but in a responsible and environmentally responsible manner. So they are encouraging use of renewables wherever they can. So this concerns EV manufacturers, of course. They have stipulations relating to the battery packs, where the chemicals used to manufacture these battery packs are sourced from, where they are assembled, the final assembly of the vehicle, the battery capacity of the vehicle, and they just have a few stipulations like that, just to ensure that if they give out subsidies, those subsidies are not being exported out of the United States, but they serve to create green jobs right here in the United States. And I think it's a very good piece of legislation, especially as it brings back the $7,500 incentive tax credit. But of course, most manufacturers jacked up their prices by exactly that amount. So it's almost a moot point. But, well, it's still good to know that the tax credit is there, because it's like turbocharging the adoption of EVs. Some people have a way of looking at it like it's the middle class subsidizing the upper class, because they are the ones who can afford these $50,000 to $80,000 vehicles. But don't forget that this climate change bill also has stipulations concerning the cost of acquisition of these vehicles. Beyond a certain threshold, they are considered a luxury, and they are no longer eligible for the federal tax credit. So there's many factors that go into determining if a vehicle qualifies, and EV manufacturers like Canoo, I think, will fall squarely within those that will most likely benefit from this bill that is making its way through the US Congress. Anyways, if you have an additional insight into some of the content of that bill, please feel free to share with us in the comment section. I want to thank you for your time. And also, please, on your way out, consider smashing that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so. Doing that is the single greatest way in which you can help me out and help out this channel to grow and hit 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections, which is the target we've set for ourselves. Bye now, and I will catch you guys on the next video.